If Photopea's interface is acting weird, missing panels, collapsed sidebars, cut off buttons, or flickering menus, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Photopea UI bugs step by step, so you can get your workspace back to normal fast. These fixes are simple, safe, and designed to help whether a panel disappeared, the layout got scrambled, or your browser is causing display issues. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, if a panel like Layers, History, Tools, or Swatches has disappeared, don't panic. Photopea usually hasn't deleted it, it's just hidden. To bring it back, go to the top menu and click Window. Inside that menu, look for the panel you want. If it has a check mark, that panel is already visible. If it's unchecked, just click it once and it will reappear instantly. This is one of the fastest ways to recover missing workspace panels, and it works great when you accidentally close something while editing. Next, if the right sidebar looks like it has collapsed into tiny icons or thin columns, you need to expand it. Photopea can compress the side panels to save space, but sometimes it happens when you don't want it to. Look near the top of the sidebar columns for the small double arrow symbol, usually shown as or a thick vertical bar. Click that control to unfold the sidebar and reveal the full panels again. If the interface still feels cramped, try resizing your browser window slightly so the panels have room to display properly. Now let's fix another very common issue: buttons looking cut off, menus appearing too large, or pop-ups opening off screen. In many cases, this is not a Photopea bug at all, it's a browser zoom issue. If your page zoom is too far in or out, the interface can become distorted. On Mac, press Command and 0. On Windows, press Ctrl and 0. That instantly resets your browser display zoom back to 100%. After doing that, wait a second and check the layout again. In a lot of cases, this one shortcut completely fixes the UI problem. If the problem still continues, the next step is to clear the site data for Photopea. This is especially useful when the workspace cache gets corrupted and the interface keeps loading in a broken state. To do this, click the padlock icon or the site settings icon next to photopea.com in your browser address bar. Then open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. From there, choose Clear Data. Once the data is removed, refresh the page using Command and R on Mac or Ctrl and R on Windows. This forces Photopea to reload with a clean layout and often resets panels, toolbars, and saved UI settings back to normal. And if you're seeing flickering menus, black boxes, blank overlays, or strange graphical glitches, the issue may be related to GPU or WebGL acceleration. Photopea uses your browser's graphics system to render parts of the interface, and sometimes that can conflict with your driver or browser settings. In Photopea, go to More in the top bar, then find Use WebGL and turn it off. If needed, you can also check your browser's hardware acceleration settings and toggle graphics acceleration there. After changing that setting, reload Photopea and see if the flickering or blank areas are gone. A good tip is to test these fixes one at a time. Start with reopening missing panels, then expand collapsed sidebars, then reset zoom, then clear site data, and finally turn off WebGL if needed. That way you can identify exactly which issue is causing the bug instead of changing everything at once. Also, if you're working on a large project, it's smart to save a backup copy before making big layout changes, just in case you want to return to your previous setup. So to quickly recap, if Photopea's UI is bugging out, use the window menu to restore missing panels, expand the collapsed sidebar columns, reset your browser zoom with Command or Ctrl plus 0, clear site data for a full workspace reset, and disable WebGL if you see graphical glitches. These 5 fixes solve most Photopea interface problems in just a few minutes. If this video helped you fix Photopea, please give it a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more Photopea tips, tricks, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.